Hello guys, today we will unbox this camera. Guess what? Which camera inside? Okay, so this is our cutter. I have just received this box 1 hour ago, and I could not stop myself to cut this box. So this is the box of Sony HX400V. This is the massive camera for zooming. Okay, so right now I'm going to unbox this box. Just take a physical overview of this box. Okay, so you can check all the sides. Here you can check all the details written here. Okay, this is almost 2 years old camera. This was purchased from Flipkart or Amazon directly. Okay, so as you can check here written April 21, that means it's like not old one. Here you will get the price also 30,000 plus. Okay, inclusive all taxes. So this is what you are getting, and you can check here it's written Sony HX400V. Here all the features you are getting, full HD whatever it is. Okay, so just check here. This camera does not contain any tripod here. Okay, nothing we are getting. So I'm just going to open this box. Totally new, like condition, May 2021. As you can check, mark on the box, that means it's a fresh one, not the old one. This kind of bubble sheet I am getting from the seller or the person from which I have purchased this for protection of your camera. So this is the battery, brand new Sony battery. As you can check, lithium battery you are getting with this camera. The charging cable you are getting with it. This is, I don't know what is this. You have to plug this like this. Okay, you can charge the camera, and this is a type B, not type C cable you are getting with it. Okay, so first we got battery, second this cable, third this mechanism. I hope it's a converter for charger, and this is a cable for charging. There is some information regarding the product. This is warranty card, 2 years from the date of purchase. I think it's expired here. Okay, there are some documentation from Sony. Everything you are getting like new one. Another paper, I don't know what is this. This is the user manual, like how to charge all that. Okay, so keep aside all documents. So this is what we are getting with camera. Now let's check the camera. What is the quality of the camera and its condition right now? So this is the camera packaging, you can check. So this is the camera, this Sony branding, you can check here. I'll just unbox this, and it's a new glass, no scratch, no dent you are getting. So there is a J's brand for, I don't know what is this, for focus. You can rotate this to adjust the focus or adjust the zoom. There is a ring. Okay, it's functional. There is a flash, you can check. there's manual. You can use it for different purposes. There is a on off switch. This is for zoom and shutter. Okay, and there is a display. You can check the display. There is no scratch or dent something. There is a protector. You can check. This is a protector on the camera display. You can change it, and there is a small scratch, not on the display but on the protector. Okay, so just wipe it and you are getting like this. Sorry, there is an eyepiece which will help you to take shots like this. Okay, and here we can put the battery and SD card. You are getting one SD card absolutely free, 4 GB. This is going to be a great deal for you. Okay, and what should I show more? Now let's open the camera and check how it works. So I'll show you how to attach the battery here. You can check inside there is a spring. Okay, and just notice there is an area. Spring should be striking here in this blank area. So I will put on like this. Just remember this number and press, then it's done. SD card is already inserted here, you can check, and I will just do like this. It's totally simple. Then how to open the camera? Just open this knob. You'll find that there is a on off switch here. On off, click on off. Camera is on here right now. Okay, so as you can check, all the features are like totally DSLR. And I'd like to show one more thing. If you click this switch, it will be converted into movie or video making, and if you press this again, it will come back as a image or normal camera mode. Okay, so this is the manual. It's a little bit complicated for me, as you know I don't use much cameras. Okay, so I'll show you that how this works. And if I like rotate this, this is too smooth, it is coming out, as you can check. No switch I am okay, so it's working fine. And there is another switch, finder or monitor. Right now the monitor is blank. Okay, there is a good gesture I will show you. You can do this normally. If you press here, like if you press here, it will be stop and the monitor will be working. And if you again press here normally, but there is a sensor also. Just check. If I want to look at here through this eyepiece, I'll just put my hand or eyes here, and as you can check, the sensor is working and this is totally off. And if I again release this will. So while you are using eyepiece, the display will not be working. So it's good quite. Okay, so there are many other options, as you can check, but check the details of photography. Check the camera details. You can check. Here is written JS. You can use all autofocus, zoom, manual lock, extra. You can check the lens. There is no scratch, no dent, everything is like new. This is a grip which is quite good to hold your lens like this. So I'll test the zoom quality of this lens and I'll show you. So I will try to test the zoom of this lens. So come here and I'll show you the power of this lens. As you can check, the AC outlet there, and I'll try to focus on this lens. This is the first photo I am taking. Okay, another photo I'll take. I will try to zoom more. And I'll show you the clarity. As you can check, nets are also visible here. And I'll zoom more. I'll try to shoot this green tanky with this camera and I'll show you. As you can check, the tank is totally in focus, and you can check the zoom also. I'll zoom more here. Yes, again you can check this cloth also. I'll test more. I'll shoot that flying Hanumanji flag. I'll zoom more. Second check the photo of Ramji here from this camera. Okay,